So the iPhone 3.0 software update was released today, and I'm going to be making this video to show you all the changes that I found throughout the operating system. Some are big, some you already know about, some you might not. I'm going to try to catch them all. If I don't get them all, leave a comment, tell me which ones you found that I couldn't, and we'll go from there. First we have the voice memo app. Pretty basic application. Just hit record anything you wanted to record. Just press stop and they'll save it for you. You also have landscape keyboard over SMS, over notes, subscribe to TheMexicanNerd, over email, some stocks, stuff like that. You also have in the missed calls where they called you from when they called you. Like this one says a work cell, mobile, stuff like that. Now the App Store has a few changes. Now I have a more button on the side. You click it and it has updates and redeem. It shows you all the apps that you have to update, and you could also redeem right from the App Store one of your gift cards for iTunes, which is pretty nice. Also, you can edit the location of your buttons, like categories and top 25, featured, search, everything can be moved. Next is the clock application. The stopwatch now has an extra little timer on the corner for whenever you push a lap. It doesn't restart the timer. The timer keeps going, it just restarts the top one. The stocks application also has a few changes, like landscape. This nice little graph comes up and you could pick a specific point that you want to look at, or you could tell the difference between two given points. Now YouTube has some of my favorite changes to the 3.0 update, which is subscriptions. You could now have your subscriptions right on your iPhone, and your videos if you have any, most viewed, some of the basic stuff, and you can sign out of your account and sign into your YouTube account right on the iPhone. The camera on the iPhone has also changed up a little bit. Now, every time that, let me turn on the light here. Every time that you take a picture, it saves it down to the corner and shows you your last picture that was taken. Just click it and you can look at the picture. That's pretty nice. No MMS yet, but it should be out later this summer. Now in photos, you can do a few new things, like you could copy multiple pictures just by selecting a few of them. You could copy, delete, or share the pictures through email. Like these, let's see, I don't need this one, or this one, or this one. Just click delete items, and they're gone. Something else you might notice is the search bar that has been added to a few of the apps, like in music or calendar. How do you pop that one? There it is. Or in mail. Also in your iTunes app, you could now order movies or shows to watch straight to your iPhone, download them, watch them, you're good to go. You also now have Spotlight. Just flick to the side and you have a search bar that will search across your entire iPhone for any information that you need, such as the weather. It'll show you the weather apps that you have on your phone, or let's say calendar. I'll show you your calendar app. That's pretty good if you want to get to something and if you have a lot of apps like I do. Now in settings you have a lot of different changes. In general, you have a lot more restrictions on different things. Like installing apps, your camera, location. In-app purchases, you could restrict the rating for movies. I would never do that to myself, but I guess if you're a parent, that's a good little feature. Keep your kids off of those naughty movies. You can also change your clock to be on 24-hour time. I wouldn't do that, but some people might like that. It's pretty good. And in Safari, you can start up your autofill. Use your contact info, or you can have it remember your names and passwords for websites, and it'll autofill them so you don't have to go through all that mess. On the iPod, you could activate shake to shuffle if you need it. That way you just shake your phone and it'll shuffle your songs and go to the next. You also have the App Store. Now if you click that button, you can edit your payment info, your billing address, your password, redeem your gift cards, all that stuff. I don't want to show my information, so I'm not going to go through that one. Also, push notification is up and running now. I got my Yahoo Messenger app running right now, and it pushed me an instant message right there. You can see it didn't send me a text alert. I don't know how to change that yet, but it did have the little badge on there. So yeah, if you could find any other things that I couldn't, please leave a comment. So yeah, just hit me up. Mexican Nerd, subscribe, comment, rate. See you later.